Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to disable auto rotate screen on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center, and in the control center you will find the option of auto rotate. Now if you disable this option, you will disable the auto rotate feature on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And if it is enabled, the auto rotate feature will be turned on. So make sure you disable auto rotate from the control center. Now if you cannot find this icon in the control center, then tap on the edit button and tap on edit. Now under the available buttons section, just look for the option of auto rotate or portrait lock. And once you find the button, just tap on it and add it to your control center, then select done. And by doing that, you will add the auto rotate feature to the control center of your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can disable auto rotate screen on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.